Good morning, children. Let us come to our next topic, that is applying header and a footer. Header and footer is the place some information on the top and the bottom of every page respectively. You can include the title, chapter heading, date, page numbers, author's name, etc. in this session. See children, what is a header and what is a footer? It is simply just like our head and the foot. Our head is at the top. Our foot is at the bottom. Likewise, a page also has a header and a footer. Means this top position is called as the header and the bottom position of the page means the end of the page is called as a footer. Like same in your textbook also. So let us take the example of your textbook also. This is called as the header part of the page and this is called as the footer part of the page. In the header part of the page, see when you are starting a chapter, on the header part we are giving the title. So on the header part we can write the chapter name. Even in your classworks also, in the starting page at the top of the line, at the top of the red line, what you will notice children, what you will write? You will write the chapter name, date, and sometimes you will write the page number also. Otherwise you will write the page number at the bottom of the page. Take your textbook as an example. In your textbook, see, the page number will be in the bottom. The page number will be at the bottom. Means that is the footer part of the page. And at the top means header part of the page, what we are giving? Lesson 5 and the chapter name of the lesson. So mostly the header part consists of the chapter names and headings and the footer part consists of the page numbers. And here he has given which textbook also he has given, Cyberlink Kids. We are using it. He has given in the footer part. We can give this in the header part also if we want to add. Let us see the steps how to give the header and footer parts of the page. The header and the footer buttons are found in the header and footer group on the insert tab. Click on the header button. It will display a list of options. Select the edit header option in the drop down menu. Word will display the editable header at the top of each page. An additional tab named Design under the header and the footer tools will appear on the. See children, where we find this header and footer in the computer? We find this header and footer in the insert menu. Now it is under the home group. Now we are changing it to the insert. In the insert we can find the header and footer here. See, header and footer. Header, footer. Now how to apply this header and footer to the page? Let us see. Just bring the mouse pointer to the header. Click here. See, he has given blank. You want 3 columns, 3 alphabets. Just go to the edit header. Click on the edit header. See, now you can see the header part. This is called the header part, means the title part or the chapter name. You can give here. And you can see the footer part also. Footer means the end of the page. This is called as the footer. Now let us see about the header. I am giving the chapter name. Here we can increase the size so that you can clearly understand children. Now as we are learning the chapter 5, let us give the name of the chapter 5. What is it? Advanced features of word processor. I am typing the title children. Now this represents the heading. See children, when you are writing in your notes, first we are writing the date on our left side. Yes? Then we are writing the heading on our right side. After giving the title heading, just click the tab button twice. Then it will move to the place where we can place the date. How to give the date and time? In the insert only, beside the header and footer, in that ribbon only, you can find the date and time. You can find the date and time. See children, now we are going to give the date here. Just click on the date and time option. Here by default it is, as today is 29th of Jan, it is given here, and click on OK. See, now the date is placed automatically. Next come to the footer part. Let us come to the footer part. In the footer, mostly what we'll give the page number. We'll give the number to the page. To give the number to the page, just click on the footer option. Footer option. And go to the edit footer. Go to the edit footer. Now it has given the mouse is placed at the footer part. Now we want to see how to give the page number. For that, just go to the page number option. Here, if you want it on the top of the page, it will be placed on the top of the page number. Bottom of the page. Now I want the page number at the bottom of the page and to the corner of the page. See here. Here you can see it is at the left side of the page. It is in the middle of the page. Here it is to the right side of the page. Here at the left side of the page. Likewise we have the patterns. Now I want it in the middle of the page. Just select it. Now see. Here we got the page number and in the middle of the page. We got the page number in the middle of the page. Not only the page number children, you can give the title like as he has given in your textbook. See, Cyberlink Kids with the page number he has given, no? Has given the textbook name and series name also. Like that also you can give in your footer part. And to close this header and footer, just click on the close header and footer button on your right side of the ribbon. On the right side corner of your ribbon. As we remove the header and footer, see the title and the date which we have given, it is the same. But you can see that there is a no line named header. And at the bottom also see. You have got the page number. But there is a no line and there is a no title like footer. That will disappear by clicking on the close button of the header and the footer. Let us continue with the next topic in the next class children. Bye.